Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that our universe might not be the only one out there. What if somewhere beyond our reach countless other universes exist, each with its own unique laws, realities, and even different versions of you? This mind-bending idea is known as the multiverse theory. Today we'll dive deep into what the multiverse means, where the concept comes from, and why it matters to science and our understanding of reality. Let's begin our journey into the unknown. Multiverse is the idea that our universe is just one of many. Instead of a single cosmos, there could be an enormous collection of universes, all existing at the same time. Each universe might have its own set of physical laws, its own history, and its own possibilities. This concept challenges everything we know about space-time and reality. It opens the door to questions about what lies beyond our observable universe, and whether our reality is just a small piece of a much larger puzzle. Where did the idea of the multiverse come from? The roots of this concept are found in modern physics, especially in the theory of relativity and quantum mechanics. Scientists like Albert Einstein laid the foundation for understanding space and time, while quantum physics introduced strange possibilities about the nature of reality itself. These theories suggest that the universe might be far more complex than we ever imagined, and that multiple universes could exist alongside our own. Albert Einstein's work changed the way we think about space and time. His theory of relativity showed that the universe is not static but dynamic and interconnected. This paved the way for new ideas about how universes might form and interact. Einstein's theories are still central to our understanding of the cosmos, and they inspire scientists to explore the possibility of multiple universes. Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that deals with the behavior of particles at the smallest scales. It introduces strange and counterintuitive ideas, such as particles being in multiple states at once. These concepts have led scientists to wonder if reality itself might split into different paths, creating separate universes for every possible outcome. This is one of the foundations of the multiverse theory. One type of multiverse theory is called the bubble universe. After the Big Bang, space may have expanded rapidly in a process known as cosmic inflation. This could have created separate bubbles, each forming its own universe with different physical laws. Imagine each bubble as a unique world floating in a vast cosmic sea. These bubbles might never interact, but together they form a multiverse. Another fascinating idea is the parallel universe, also known as the quantum multiverse. In quantum theory, every possible outcome of an event could create a separate universe. For example, every choice you make might split reality into different paths, each leading to a new universe. This means there could be countless versions of you, living out different lives in parallel worlds. Some scientists believe that every possible mathematical structure exists as its own universe. If it can be described by math, it might physically exist somewhere in the multiverse. This idea suggests that reality is shaped by mathematics and that the multiverse could contain an infinite variety of worlds, each governed by different mathematical rules. According to string theory, our universe could be a brain floating in a higher dimensional space alongside other universes. These brains might interact or remain separate, creating a multiverse of higher dimensions. String theory offers a new way to think about the structure of reality and the possibility of multiple universes existing together. Right now, the multiverse is still a theory. We don't have direct evidence because other universes, if they exist, may be impossible to observe or reach. Scientists use mathematical models and indirect clues to explore the possibility, but the multiverse remains one of the biggest mysteries in science. The search for proof continues, pushing the boundaries of what we can know. Multiverse theory could help explain some of the biggest questions in science. Why are the laws of physics the way they are? Why does our universe support life? What truly lies beyond our observable universe? By considering the multiverse, scientists hope to find answers to these mysteries and gain a deeper understanding of reality. Multiverse theory pushes the limits of imagination and science. It suggests that reality might be far bigger and stranger than we ever thought. By exploring these ideas, we challenge our understanding of the cosmos and open our minds to new possibilities. The multiverse invites us to dream, question, and discover. If there are infinite universes, how many versions of you might exist? Each universe could contain a different version of you, living out unique lives, making different choices, and experiencing different realities. This idea is both fascinating and unsettling, as it suggests that our identity is just one possibility among countless others. Cosmic inflation is a process that happened right after the Big Bang. Space expanded rapidly, creating the conditions for bubble universes to form. This expansion set the stage for the multiverse, as each bubble could become a separate universe with its own physical laws and history. In quantum theory, every possible outcome of an event could create a new universe. This means that every decision you make, no matter how small, might split reality into different paths. The quantum multiverse is a world of endless possibilities where every choice leads to a new reality. Mathematical universes suggest that reality is shaped by math. Every possible mathematical structure could exist as its own universe, each with unique rules and properties. This idea connects the abstract world of mathematics with the physical world, expanding our understanding of what is possible. String theory is a modern approach to understanding the universe. It suggests that our universe is a brain floating in a higher dimensional space. Other brains might exist alongside ours, each forming its own universe. This theory adds new dimensions to the multiverse and offers exciting possibilities for how universes might interact. One of the biggest challenges in multiverse theory is observing other universes. If they exist, they may be impossible to reach or detect. Scientists use indirect evidence and mathematical models to explore the possibility, but direct observation remains out of reach for now. The multiverse theory could help explain why the laws of physics are the way they are. If there are many universes, each with different laws, our universe might simply be one where the conditions are right for life. This idea helps scientists understand the fine-tuning of the cosmos. Why does our universe support life? The multiverse theory suggests that among countless universes, some will have the right conditions for life to exist. Our universe might be one of many, chosen by chance or necessity, where life can thrive. What lies beyond our observable universe? The multiverse theory suggests that there could be countless other universes, each hidden from view. This idea expands our understanding of reality and encourages us to look beyond what we can see. Science has always pushed the boundaries of what we know. The multiverse theory is a perfect example of this, challenging us to think beyond the limits of our current understanding. It reminds us that there is always more to discover and that reality might be far stranger than we imagine. Multiverse theory unleashes our imagination, allowing us to dream of worlds beyond our own. It inspires artists, writers, and scientists to explore new possibilities and create stories that stretch the limits of creativity. The multiverse is not just a scientific idea, it's a source of wonder and inspiration. Many science fiction stories are inspired by the multiverse theory. From alternate realities to parallel worlds, writers use these ideas to create exciting adventures and explore what it means to be human. The multiverse blurs the line between science and fiction, making us wonder what is truly possible. The multiverse theory raises deep philosophical questions. What is reality? What does it mean to exist? If there are infinite versions of you, how do you define your identity? These questions challenge our beliefs and encourage us to think in new ways. Mathematics plays a central role in the multiverse theory. Scientists use mathematical models to describe possible universes and explore their properties. Math helps us understand the structure of reality and predict what might exist beyond our own universe. String theory is a complex idea that tries to explain how the universe works at its most fundamental level. It suggests that everything is made of tiny strings and that these strings can create different universes. String theory is one of the main ways scientists explore the multiverse. The multiverse theory often involves higher dimensions beyond the ones we experience. These dimensions could contain other universes, each with its own properties and laws. Exploring higher dimensions helps scientists understand how the multiverse might be structured. While we can't observe other universes directly, scientists look for indirect evidence. This includes unusual patterns in cosmic background radiation, mathematical predictions, and unexplained phenomena. Indirect evidence helps guide research and keeps the multiverse theory alive. Cosmic background radiation is the leftover energy from the Big Bang. Scientists study this radiation to look for clues about the structure of the universe and the possibility of other universes. Patterns in this radiation might hint at the existence of a multiverse. Some phenomena in the universe remain unexplained. These mysteries drive scientists to consider new theories, including the multiverse. By studying the unknown, researchers hope to find answers and expand our understanding of reality. The search for evidence of the multiverse continues. Scientists use advanced technology, mathematical models, and creative thinking to explore the possibilities. The journey is ongoing, and each discovery brings us closer to understanding the true nature of reality. The multiverse theory expands our worldview, encouraging us to think beyond the limits of our own universe. It challenges us to imagine new possibilities and question what we know about reality. By embracing the multiverse, we open ourselves to a universe of ideas. Curiosity drives scientific discovery. The multiverse theory is a testament to the power of asking questions and seeking answers. By exploring the unknown, scientists and thinkers push the boundaries of knowledge and inspire future generations. As technology advances, new discoveries may shed light on the multiverse. Scientists are developing new tools and methods to explore the cosmos and search for evidence of other universes. The future holds exciting possibilities for understanding reality. The multiverse theory connects us to the larger cosmos. It reminds us that we are part of a vast and mysterious universe and that our existence might be just one possibility among many. This connection inspires awe and wonder, encouraging us to explore and learn. If there are infinite versions of you, what does it mean to be you? The multiverse theory challenges our ideas about identity and existence. It suggests that our choices and experiences are just one path among countless others, making us question who we truly are. What is reality? The multiverse theory suggests that reality is much bigger and more complex than we can imagine. It encourages us to question our assumptions and explore new ways of thinking about the world around us. Science plays a crucial role in exploring the multiverse. Through observation, experimentation, and theory, scientists seek to understand the cosmos and uncover its secrets. The multiverse theory is a bold step in the quest for knowledge. The multiverse theory inspires cosmic wonder. It invites us to marvel at the vastness of the universe and the possibilities that lie beyond. By embracing the unknown, we celebrate the beauty and mystery of existence. Our journey into the multiverse is just beginning. As we continue to explore, question, and discover, we move closer to understanding the true nature of reality. The multiverse theory reminds us that the universe is full of surprises, waiting to be uncovered. The multiverse theory leaves us with more questions than answers. What lies beyond our universe? How many universes exist? What is the nature of reality? These questions drive scientific inquiry and inspire us to keep searching for truth. The multiverse theory has become a part of popular culture. Movies, books, and art explore the idea of multiple universes, inspiring audiences to imagine new worlds and possibilities. The multiverse is not just a scientific concept, it's a cultural phenomenon. As we reflect on the multiverse theory, we see that it challenges our understanding of reality and inspires us to explore new possibilities. Whether or not other universes exist, the idea pushes us to think bigger and dream beyond the limits of our world. The multiverse theory suggests that reality is full of endless possibilities. From bubble universes to parallel worlds, the cosmos might be far larger and stranger than we ever imagined. As we continue to explore, we embrace the unknown and celebrate the wonder of existence.